Outro! My bad. I was like spacing out, and then you started talking, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be in the video, and then I started laughing.
1,000 years later.
Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for the video.
Today we're going to be doing the second instructional video in our Dirty Dancing series. If you want to have a look at the musicality, feel free to check that video out. Otherwise, have a look at the earlier videos to get caught up. Let's get right into it. To start off with, we're just going to go over the leader's footwork from this angle so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to step out with my left as I roll my partner out. And then I'm going to roll her back in and shift my weight to my right foot. So now I'm ready to step with my left and do the basic steps. So we're going to go forward on the left, rock on the right and back together, back on the right, rock together. Now we're going to do, for a turn, same footwork, rock in together, back and together. Now we're going to go back on the left and together, back on the right, and now we're side by side with our partner.
This time we're going to do the steps with the leads. So we're going to change to our right. We're going to go right, left, right. Roll back into our left, left, right, left. And now we're going to go back with our right foot. Back, replace to the left, together. Left foot forward, replace, together. Back with the right, replace together, and here we're gonna step forward and across with the left, replace to the right, together. We're gonna step back with the right foot, back and forward with the right. So we pivot towards our left shoulder. Now we're gonna step back with the right, back and together.
In this section, we're going to talk about the lead and follow and the connection as we go through these moves.
Great, is it running? We're gonna switch this to a mirror view image.
All right, so we're going to start out by rolling our partner out. This goes with just some slight pressure on the shoulder, and we're going to tug her out with our right hand. Here we are.
So ladies, we want to make sure the whole time that we have tension so we can be rolled out and then roll back in as well.
Exactly. So now we're going to pull back on this arm, and then we're going to use that tension in her elbow. We pull and then push it back and let go, okay? We got to let go so that we can get into our closed position and get ready to go into a basic step. So we go into our basic, a nice high posture. Then we're going to get a signal for the underarm turn.
So ladies, again, we have tension in our arms. We're gonna go under.
And leads, we kind of swirl or follow around to help her match the tempo of the song. We're also going to trap her arm with our thumb on top. So we're in this overhand grip. And the reason we do this is because we're going to push back with this immediately, using that tension once again, and flip her 180 degrees so she's facing away from us. As soon as she's turned away from us, we let go of her hand because we got to get our right hand on her shoulder, our left hand on her waist. Okay, and then we're going to flip her back and then match up with her in that side-to-side posture. So in this section, we're going to go over the emotions and connection for this part of the song. So we're going to start out from our nose kiss and our strong eye contact and roll her out. And then bring our hands up for styling and immediately bring her back in and come to our closed position.
So when we come back from the rollout, ladies, we want to make sure our arms are ready for the closed position here.
And when they're dancing in the closed position, there's lots of strong eye contact. They're interacting with each other. So it's not just like staring off into the distance, focusing on the choreography. They are interacting with each other. And then we're going to have nice soft knees and light feet as we go through this basic. And then we're going to go into the turn. For this turn, it's not going to be a nice high and give her lots of time to turn. It's going to be low over her head and very quick. So we're going to open it up for the turn and then right back down. And then step back.
Ladies, we can extend our arm here.
And turn her back. And then we're going to once again extend our arms for styling. All right, so now we'll just do a final demonstration of the moves and section we've gone over today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like more content by Green Bay Ballroom. Don't forget to check out the video on the musicality of this section so you know how to match all the moves up to the tempo. Hope to see you there.